Hey everyone, it's Nick with RadView Detection. Just a quick video showing off what 6 of our RadView detectors all working together looks like. So you can see we have a count rate chart showing the pulses per second that we're getting. It's between maybe 64 and 80, kind of fluctuating. However, since they're all working together, I can show you that here. So you can see all of them are working together. I can actually use it to really easily pick up really low activity depression glass. So if we give it a second here. So you can see maybe that one's around 100 counts a second. That one's definitely a little bit more, maybe 130 counts a second on that one. But it can also be used to pick up sources from quite a distance. So here I have some check sources. And if I just put them maybe a foot away right now, you can see it's very clear they're there. If I move them closer and closer here, just kind of goes up exponentially. It's up around maybe 3,700 counts a second there. And so yeah, just super sensitive. I think it's about the same sensitivity as one 2x2 sodium iodide detector, but not too sure. So anyways, these are the 6 that are going to be getting sent out tomorrow on the 15th. The next batch will be a little bit later, maybe later next week. We're waiting on a couple more parts to get in. If you guys have any questions, just head over to the website, fill out a contact form. I can help you out on there. This has been RadView Nick. I'll catch you guys in the next one.